Vikram Singh, you're the former DGP of Uttar Pradesh. When you see the sequence of events, what is it that shocks you the most? For us, we have been shocked for the last 3 days because every day there are new details that are emerging. But today, finally, there's a complaint. Imagine a Rajya Sabha MP going to a chief minister's residence and getting beaten up by his PA.
Shreya ji, nothing shocks and surprises me any longer. Observation number one. Number two, it is bad enough that the senior politician, a Rajya Sabha member, is brutalized and no other than the place than the chief minister's residence. I had expected a lot more, and the nation also. You have disappointed all of us. Now, third, the Delhi police, when the first PCR report or the complaint came, they should have suo motu lodged an FIR and started the investigation after lodging a suo motu FIR, which they did not. They failed in their duty and failed with the Nirbhaya guidelines also. And then, show me the man and I will show you the rules. What kind of compromise are you hinting at? First, you brutalize and then try to win over the complainant and the person who is the victim of a crime. This is absolutely even more brazen and shameless. Now, to atone for the sins and the lapses committed, the least the Delhi police can do without fear or favor, lodge an FIR, which I'm sure they must have lodged by now. Now, within the next 72 hours, which is perfectly doable, identify who the culprit is, whether it's Vibhav, and on whose instigation did he brutal, because it is not likely that the person who is in the personal staff would act suo motu on his own. Obviously, the probability is he acted at the behest or on the instructions. Whoever gave the instructions is also a co-conspirator and an equally complicit in the crime. Therefore, Vibhav and that person who made him commit this heinous offense, both need to be taken, both or more, need to be taken to task and put behind bars. When I say put behind bars, the fact that this crime took place in the chief minister's residence and no other than an honorable member of the Rajya Sabha was brutalized and also an office bearer of a constitutional body, I think an exemplary action and a prompt action needs to be taken, Shreya.
Sanjeev Kaushik, I want to ask you. Today, the chief minister was directly asked a question. He kept mum and sent the mic away to Akhilesh Yadav's side. ये हो क्या रहा है?
मैंने कहा कि सारी बातें निर्भर करती है कि स्वाति मालीवाल यदि पहले दिन ही एफआईआर दर्ज करा दी होती तो शायद ये सारी बातें
पहले दिन करें या तीसरे दिन करें, कंप्लेन तो लॉन्च हो गई है ना, और वो अपनी कंप्लेन से बदली तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं, मैंने कहा कि उसमें पुलिस यदि कार्रवाई कर रही है तो अच्छी बात है। मैं लगातार ये बात
पुलिस तो कर रही है, लेकिन आपके घर में आपकी राज्यसभा मेंबर की पिटाई होती है और आपसे प्रेस, पहले तो आप 3 दिन कुछ बोलते नहीं है, फिर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जब आपसे सवाल पूछा जाता है तो आप कन्नी काट लेते हैं, माइक अखिलेश यादव को दे देते हैं।
इंसाफ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में अब मिलने लगा क्या? उसके लिए तो कानूनी कार्रवाई है।
इंसाफ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट तो आएगा ना मुखिया के देश चीफ मिनिस्टर से और राज्य के मुखिया से कि ये हुआ, हम शर्मिंदा हैं। लेकिन वो बोलते कैसे? मुखिया के बगल में तो खड़े थे विभव कुमार जिन्होंने पिटाई की है।
मुखिया के मंतव्य को ही स्टेटमेंट के तौर पर संजय सिंह ने दिया था प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस।
संजय सिंह कब से दिल्ली के चीफ मिनिस्टर हो गए? वो घर संजय सिंह का था या दिल्ली के चीफ मिनिस्टर का था?
अरे वो राज्यसभा सांसद है, उसके राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता है। वो यदि चीफ मिनिस्टर के बारे में बात कह रहे हैं कि वो संज्ञान ले रहे हैं, इस पर कार्रवाई होगी तो
चीफ मिनिस्टर
कोई मतलब नहीं बनता।
बिल्कुल नहीं, चीफ मिनिस्टर बगल में बैठे हैं, उनके मुंह पे ताला क्यों लगा हुआ है?
मैंने कहा तो सही कि वो कार्रवाई होगी ना, ये कार्रवाई होगी।
कार्रवाई तो पिछले 3 दिन कुछ नहीं हुई। विभव कुमार तो घूम रहे हैं चीफ मिनिस्टर के साथ।
मैंने कहा कि यदि एफआईआर दर्ज पहले दिन हो जाती तो शायद ये किसी के लिए भी ये सवाल नहीं पैदा होता। वो एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं होने की वजह से इस तरह की बात हुई है निश्चित तौर पे। और इस बात से कभी भी आम आदमी पार्टी ने डिनाई नहीं किया कि उनके साथ दुर्व्यवहार की गई है। वो दूसरे दिन ही इस बात के लिए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया गया, एक्सेप्ट किया गया।
The Aam Aadmi Party's behavior is hypocritical and unfortunate. Karan Verma, I'm giving you 20 seconds to respond to what Sanjeev ji is saying. कि 3 दिन पहले FIR हो जाती तो things would have gotten sorted out.
For 30 hours, none of them came out with a statement. Even Sanjay Singh came out with a statement 30 hours later. Morality demanded this, and in fact, proprietorship also demanded this, that Arvind Kejriwal should have come out and said, I am the witness to this. This is the CCTV footage of my Sheesh Mahal, which shows what transpired right before my eyes, and I will go and personally file an FIR and let them know what really happened. But this man wanted to cover it up. God knows what sort of intimidation tactics they've tried to use on Swati Mahiliwal. She is a brave woman. We know that. She's been the yesteryear chairperson. But Shreya, the larger message is, it doesn't matter to them. They are very clear. What did Akhilesh Yadav say? कि अरे इससे ज्यादा जरूरी मुद्दे हैं. This is their mindset. Where is Priyanka Vadra? Ladki hu lad sakti hu. Why is she not taking up this? Why is Rahul Gandhi, who talks about Nari Nyay, why is he mum on this? This is a very serious question. This should be asked to Arvind Kejriwal honestly on every nook and corner wherever he goes out to campaign. He should be asked this. If you cannot keep your Rajya Sabha member safe when she visits your residence, how can you ever promise women's safety in Delhi? That is the big question.
Okay, you know, as I wrap this debate, what is of interest to me is, as and when the FIR is filed, is Arvind Kejriwal named as a co-accused. Because what was Swati Maliwal's original complaint? Her original complaint was she was beaten up by Vibhav, the Chief Minister's secretary, at the behest of the Chief Minister. We'll see when the details of the FIR are out. For the moment, I'm going to thank my guests. Karan Verma, thank you. Sanjeev Kaushik ji, thank you for coming to the studios and taking some tough questions. You had no answers today. And Dr. Vikram Singh, always good to get your perspective. Thank you so much.